Welcome to the former location of Marsh Fork High School, located on Route 3 near Montcole, West Virginia. The original school was built on the site in 1925 and remained there until the end of the 2003 school year. Marsh Fork and Clear Fork were consolidated into Liberty High School, located at Glen Daniel, in 2004. The Marsh Fork High School property remained dormant and had become an eyesore to the local communities. Discussions among interested Marsh Fork alumni during the 2011 high school's biennial reunion concluded there was a strong interest in trying to acquire the former high school site and develop a park. A plan was developed, and the alumni group scheduled a meeting with the Raleigh County Board of Education, who own the property. We asked the board members to donate the 3.46-acre tract to the Marsh Fork High School Alumni Association. The Board of Education appeared to like the plan and responded by stating it would consider the Alumni Association's request under the following conditions: a Board of Trustees be established, bylaws be developed by the Board of Trustees, a fundraising committee be established to raise funds to develop the park, and the Alumni Association be qualified as a 501c3 charity in order for the donations to be tax deductible. The volunteer alumni went to work and completed the conditions within a few months and scheduled another meeting with the Board of Education in February 2012. At the board meeting, the alumni announced that they had met all the conditions, they had established a Board of Trustees with officers, finalized bylaws, established a fundraising committee, and received approval from the IRS as a 501c3. The Raleigh County Board of Education was very pleased with the quick progress and voted unanimously to donate the property to the Marsh Fork High School Alumni Association. A grand opening was scheduled early in the spring of 2012 at the site, and the board presented the deed to the property to the Marsh Fork Alumni Association. The park would be known as Marsh Fork High School Memorial Park, and the plans for soliciting donations were presented to all alumni of record. The response was very positive and was supported by donations and pledges almost immediately. The original plan was expanded as donations and grants were received. The development was completed in 2017, and a ribbon cutting and dedication of the park was held in August of 2017, with many politicians and important community people in attendance. The Marsh Fork High School Memorial Park was dedicated to all the students who attended our beloved school from 1925 to 2003. The Memorial Park is very popular with local residents and used frequently for family gatherings. The on-site brick wall of fame and walkway continue to expand through recognition of family and friends. The alumni's 18-member Board of Trustees goal to memorialize our beloved high school has been achieved and will continue to enrich our memories of the school. This park will provide a permanent place of recreation for residents of Marsh Fork communities. The Marsh Fork Alumni Association invite you to grab a picnic basket, take a drive down Route 3, and enjoy your park and reminisce about the former days of Marsh Fork High School.